I'm still going to bring with me a power bank, but just in case, I just wanted to go wireless on almost everything. I have 2 other sets of mics. They already set up in my DJ booth, but I wanted to make sure that I have a whole different mic for just the ceremony. So this is the power cable it came with to plug it in and to also charge it. And this is the regular Maki Thumb Gold book for you to set it up, different languages, the regular common stuff.